Welcome to Typography in Action. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of typography and discover how the right typeface choices can transform your designs. Whether you're creating a website, poster, or presentation, understanding typography is essential for effective communication. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language readable and visually appealing. It's not just about picking a font. It encompasses the choice of typeface, size, spacing, and arrangement of text. Good typography guides the reader's eye, establishes hierarchy, and creates an emotional connection with your audience. The two main categories of typefaces are serif and sans-serif. Serif fonts have small lines or strokes at the ends of letters. They're traditionally used in print and formal documents because they're easy to read in long passages. Sans-serif fonts have no serifs and look cleaner and more modern. They're popular for web design and digital interfaces. Serif typefaces feel classic and elegant, while sans-serif typefaces feel contemporary and approachable. Pairing fonts effectively is crucial for professional design. A good rule is to pair a serif font with a sans-serif font. This creates contrast and visual interest. When pairing fonts, consider their weight, size, and personality. Ensure they complement each other rather than compete. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts maximum in any design. Too many fonts create chaos and reduce readability. Font weight refers to the thickness of the letters. Weights range from light to extra bold. Use heavier weights for headings to grab attention and lighter weights for body text for readability. Font size matters too. Headings should be significantly larger than body text to create visual hierarchy. A good starting point is 48 pixels for headings and 16 pixels for body text. Always adjust based on your specific design needs. Color and contrast are vital for readability and accessibility. High contrast between text and background ensures your content is readable by everyone, including people with visual impairments. Dark text on light backgrounds or light text on dark backgrounds works best. Avoid light text on light backgrounds or dark text on dark backgrounds. The contrast ratio should be at least 4.5 to 1 for normal text and 3 to 1 for large text to meet accessibility standards. Text alignment affects how organized your design looks. Left alignment is the most readable for body text. Center alignment works well for titles and short content. Right alignment should be used sparingly as it's harder to read. Hierarchy is how you prioritize information using size, weight, color, and spacing. Make important information stand out with larger sizes or bolder weights. Use visual hierarchy to guide readers through your content in the order you want them to experience it. Spacing between lines, called line height or leading, significantly impacts readability. A line height of 1.6 is optimal for body text as it provides comfortable reading distance. Line height between 1.2 and 1.4 works well for headings where you want tighter control. Letter spacing, or the space between individual characters, should be 0 for normal text. Use increased letter spacing only for headlines to create an elegant, luxurious feel. Avoid these common typography pitfalls. First, using too many fonts creates visual chaos. Stick to 2 or 3 complementary typefaces. Second, poor contrast makes text hard to read. Always ensure sufficient contrast between text and background. Third, inconsistent sizing breaks visual hierarchy and confuses readers. Use a consistent scale throughout your design. These mistakes are easy to make, but can significantly impact your design's effectiveness. Remember these key points about typography. Typography matters because it impacts readability, usability, and how people perceive your content. Choose fonts based on your purpose, audience, and medium. Pair fonts thoughtfully with contrast, balance, and intention. Master spacing and hierarchy to achieve professional results. And remember, good typography is invisible. Users only notice when it's done wrong. Practice these principles and your designs will immediately improve.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.